Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to be looking at lesson 11.4, which is all about three-dimensional figures. And the essential question is, how can you identify, describe, and classify three-dimensional figures?
Hello! What a great night! I've been walking around the neighborhood enjoying the great weather and the stars in the sky. But you know what else I've been noticing? I've been noticing all kinds of three-dimensional figures all around us. Just look at that house over there. That house looks like a three-dimensional figure, but I can't remember which one. Let's take a closer look. I know there is a name for that figure. How can you identify three-dimensional figures? I'd like to find out. Come on.
A solid figure has three dimensions: length, width, and height. Polyhedrons, such as prisms and pyramids, are three-dimensional figures with faces that are polygons. How can you identify a prism by its base shape? A prism is a polyhedron that has two congruent polygons as bases. A prism's base shape is used to name the solid figure. What is the base shape here? The base shape is a triangle, so this is a triangular prism. A polyhedron's lateral faces are polygons that connect with the bases. The lateral faces of a prism are rectangles. Let's look at more examples of prisms. The base shape of this prism is a rectangle, so this is a rectangular prism. What is the base shape of this solid figure? The base shape is a pentagon, so this solid figure is a pentagonal prism. What is the base shape of this figure? The base shape is a hexagon. What type of solid figure is it? This is a hexagonal prism. What is the base shape of this figure? The base shape of this prism is an octagon. What is the name of this prism? The solid figure is an octagonal prism. Let's look at types of polyhedrons that are not prisms. A pyramid is a polyhedron with only one base. The lateral faces of a pyramid are triangles that meet at a common vertex. The base shape of this pyramid is a triangle, so this is called a triangular pyramid. The base shape of this pyramid is a rectangle. What kind of figure is it? This is a rectangular or square pyramid. What is the base shape of this pyramid? The base shape is a pentagon. What kind of solid figure is it? The base shape of this polyhedron is a pentagon, so this is a pentagonal pyramid. Some three-dimensional figures have curved surfaces. These figures are not polyhedrons. For example, a cone has one circular base and one curved surface. A cylinder has two congruent circular bases and one curved surface. A sphere has no bases and one curved surface. Identify examples of solid figures. Drag and drop to correctly label the solid figure.
This has a rectangular faces, so it is a prism.
Great job! This solid figure is a prism because its lateral faces are rectangles and its base shape is a triangle. Now try another one. What's this solid shape?
The lateral faces here are triangles, so it is a pyramid.
Correct! This polyhedron is a pyramid because it has only one base and the lateral faces are triangles that meet at a common vertex. One more. What's this figure called?
It says no faces or bases, so it is a sphere.
Excellent. This figure is a sphere because it has no bases and one curved surface. Let's try a problem. Select the correct base shape for each of these solid figures.
Well, this base shape has 5 sides, so it is a pentagon. This one, 3, 4, 5, is also a pentagon. This one is a circle.
Excellent. The first 2 base shapes are pentagons, and the third is a circle. Now, classify each of these solid figures.
Well, the base is a pentagon, and the sides are all, the lateral faces are all rectangles. That makes it a pentagonal prism. The base is a pentagon, and the sides are triangles, which makes it a pentagonal pyramid. The bases are circles, and so the side doesn't have bases, so it is a cylinder.
Correct. The first solid is a pentagonal prism because the lateral faces are rectangles. The second shape is a pentagonal pyramid because the lateral faces meet at a common vertex. The third is a cylinder because it has 2 congruent circular bases.
That is all I have for you today. I'm going to leave you with a 1-question answer, and to rate your level of understanding, you see this to 5.